Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can turn on or turn off Books iCloud Drive syncing on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. Then from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on Books. Next, in here, we scroll down to the syncing section and then tap on iCloud Drive. So tap on the toggle button to switch off or turn on iCloud Drive sync for books. And when this is switched on, you can see here say read now syncs using your iCloud account. Use iCloud Drive to sync PDFs you have added to your library. So if you add PDF to your library, it can sync to the iCloud. And that's it. After, you can tap on the back key or swipe up to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.